Hello, dear traders, and welcome to Olymp Trade. My name is Angie. I am a financial analyst with Olymp Trade, and during this video, we're going to speak about different time frames for different personalities. The thing is that I've heard this question many times before. Which time frame is the best for trading? Well, the answer to this question is that it depends on you. Many traders often face with this problem when we first start trading. We try to figure out which time frame will bring us more profit and which time frame is going to be more successful. So we go in circles and we switch between different time frames, and for some reason we can't find the right time frame. So we do it all over again and we go through all the time frames, and this can be totally frustrating. What we have to understand is that we are all different and there are different types of traders as well as different time frames to fit our personalities. Let's talk about this more in detail. I want you to go ahead and ask yourself this question. How much time do you or can you spend on trading every day? And overall, how many days a week do you trade? You see, depending on how much time we can devote to our trading can help us choose the right and appropriate time frame. Let's go ahead and talk about the three trading styles. There's going to be day trading, swing trading, and position trading. So day traders are traders that can spend a lot of their time during the day in front of the computer. They rely more on technical analysis and possibly news trading. Day traders are able to enter multiple trades during the day and generally close all their trades at the end of the trading day or at the end of the trading session. You see, when you are day trading, you can use the advantage of trend trading, so on a price increase or on a price decrease. Also counter trend trading, that's when there is a correction, and also news trading. For trend trading and counter trend trading, you can use the 1 hour time frame. I advise for you, regardless of your trading style, to always check one time frame higher and one time frame lower than the time frame that you are actually working on. So this basically means that if we are looking at the 1 hour time frame, we'll want to look at the 4 hour time frame to get a more global picture of what's going on with the asset, and a lower time frame like the 30-minute time frame to help us with entrance and exit points. For example, for a day trading example, right now we're looking at the 1 hour time frame, and we can see that there is an uptrend. Right now, my friends, I just switched to the 4 hour time frame. We're looking at the same exact asset at the same exact time. On the 4 hour time frame, so we have a more global picture, we can see if the price is close to a strong level of support and resistance, and what's the more global direction of the instrument. Right now, we can currently see that the price is very close to a strong level of resistance, which was previously this medium, this center of this price channel. So we are at a strong level of resistance on the more global 4 hour time frame. And likewise here, we have switched to the 30-minute time frame, so one time lower than our working time frame. And this confirms the picture. On the 1 hour time frame, we saw that there was an uptrend. On the 4 hour time frame, we saw that we were close to this strong level of resistance. And on the 30-minute time frame, we see that the price is traveling in an uptrend in this upward channel. We see that the price is close to a level of resistance, so a counter trend down trade would be more preferable for this scenario. My friends, for more information on day trading, you can check out this video link that appears in this upper right corner right now. So the next part of day trading that I would like to speak to you about is news trading. News traders generally use a lower time frame, such as the 1 minute time frame and all the way up to the 15-minute or the 30-minute time frame. This really depends on if we are trading on the actual release on the impulse that comes out, for example, right here, or if we are actually trading on the post-release corrections. Okay, so once again, the previous slide, this is the 1 minute time frame. This would be the news impulse, and this right here would be the correction after the actual release. My friends, for more information on news trading, please check out this video that appears in this upper right corner on how I personally trade non-farm payrolls. My friends, likewise, another scenario of day trading is traders that prefer to trade on lower time frames. A lot of traders like to trade on the 1 minute time frame, the 5 minute time frame, 10 minute and 15 minute time frames. This style of trading is sometimes called scalping. So these type of traders, they trade on small price fluctuations. For example, we can be trading inside of a price channel. So we have our level of resistance and we have our level of support. We would trade down from our level of resistance and up from our level of support. Likewise, scalpers and traders on lower time frames can trade on price breakouts. So we had this channel right here. The price was moving flat. We had a breakout. The price came back to retest this level of resistance as support, and then an up trade began. So trading on smaller time frames is also day trading, my friends. For more information on scalping, please check out this link right here. The next style of trading that I would like to discuss with you is called swing trading. These type of traders may keep their trades open overnight, so for several days, and perhaps even several days of up to 1 week. These type of traders are usually spend 1 or a couple of hours in front of the computer each day to find their entry points, their exit points, widen their stop losses, and then basically check back up on trades to see what's going on. For this style of trading, it's ideal to use the 4-hour time frame. And of course, likewise, as I already explained, we would check one time frame higher, so the 1 day time frame to get a more global picture of what's going on with the asset, and a lower time frame to better time our entry and exit points. So right here, we're looking at the 4-hour time frame. We see that this is a strong level of resistance. And this is our level of support. So we see that the price is close to a strong level of resistance. If we check one time frame higher, this is the daily time frame, and this confirms our situation that this is a strong level of resistance, because first of all, this is resistance from this trend line down. And this is also resistance from this horizontal line. The price couldn't break below this level of support, couldn't break below this level of support. Then we broke this level of support, came back to retest this as resistance, and now our likely scenario is that we're going to enter a down trade. So we're looking at the 4-hour time frame. This is the 1 day time frame to give us a more global picture. And this is the 1-hour time frame to better time our entry points. And likewise scenario, we can see right here that a down trade is more favorable to come back down to this level of support. For more information on swing trading, my friends, please check out the video link that comes up right here in this upper right corner. And so now, my friends, this brings me to our third style of trading. This is position trading. These type of traders are often called sniper tradings. They're more like investors. They study the chart on higher time frames, and they study them for a prolonged period of time. They work on the daily time frame, the weekly time frame, and even sometimes the monthly time frame can be observed. The thing is that these type of traders, they may be waiting and searching for the right signal and for the right entry point for several days or even for several weeks. But when they actually do enter a position, it's going to bring them a lot of profit. So these type of traders, they can basically generally check up on the trade 1 time a day, so maybe even spend less than 1 hour. So basically right here, if we are looking at the daily time frame, we see that the price broke this level of resistance, came back to retest this level of, support, came back to retest this level as resistance. So we have a strong level of resistance right here. On the weekly time frame, we can also observe that we have, and once again, so each of these candlesticks actually represents the price change every 1 week, so every 7 days. This is a much higher time frame. So on the weekly time frame, we see that we have a downtrend. The price is somewhat close to our downtrend. But also we can see that this level of resistance where the price is right now, it was used as support previously. So the price couldn't break this level of support, couldn't break this level of support, couldn't break this level of support, broke this level of support. Price came back up to retest it as resistance. And now our likely scenario is the price is going to start moving down. So once again, here we're looking at the weekly time frame. And here is the monthly time frame. The monthly time frame, we can see that there is a global downtrend. So once again, we're talking about position trading, actually more like investing, where we enter trades less frequently, but we wait for the perfect signal. So we have this global downtrend. So the price is and here's the price right here. This is a strong level of resistance. We used this level of resistance previously. Then we used it as support here, as support here, as support here. And now we actually broke this level of support. So a down trade is the most likeliest signal for this example right now. My friends, if you want more information about position trading, then you should totally check out this link that appears in this upper right corner right now. And so, my friends, the thing is that you have to understand yourself as a trader. You have to understand your trading personality and maximize your trading capacity by focusing on the appropriate time frame. My friends, please let me know by commenting below this video what type of trader are you, what's your favorite time frame to trade, and why. And of course, my friends, please make sure that you are subscribed. Give this video a thumbs up. Ring the bell so that you don't miss out on our important and useful notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye-bye.